Next, we are going to discuss about the ray diagrams. Ray diagrams for convex mirror. First of all, we will understand the ray diagrams of convex mirror, thereby sign convention for convex mirror. After knowing the ray diagrams for concave, convex and sign convention, we can jump on to the problems here. So only two positions are there in case of convex. In case of convex, only two positions are there. In concave, it is 6. Concave, let us recall concave a bit, little bit. What was it? What type of images we got? Real inverted point size, real inverted diminished, real inverted same size, point size diminished, magnified. At F, remember, at F, between F and C, at C, image position I am talking about. At F, between F and C, at C. Let us talk about sizes first. Real inverted point size, real inverted diminished, real inverted same size, real inverted magnified, real inverted highly magnified, real virtual erect magnified, virtual erect magnified, रियल इन्वर्टेड बिल्कुल पॉइंट साइज मिल जाता, रियल थोड़ा बड़ा मिल जाता, सेम साइज का मिल जाता, ऑब्जेक्ट से बड़ा इमेज मिल जाता, बहुत बड़ा इमेज मिल जाता, वर्चुअल में बड़ा मिल जाता, वर्चुअल में छोटा, वर्चुअल इरेक्ट कॉनकेव में नहीं मिलता. वर्चुअल इरेक्ट, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ इमेज कॉनकेव मिरर इज नॉट एबल टू फॉर्म, बिट्स में पूछता. वर्चुअल इरेक्ट, रियल इन्वर्टेड में तो हर साइज के मिल जाते, वर्चुअल में मैग्नीफाइड मिलता, इरेक्ट नहीं मिलता, सेम साइज भी रहता ही नहीं वर्चुअल में. तो वर्चुअल सेम साइज हो भी सकता नहीं भी सकता, बट वर्चुअल में वर्चुअल इरेक्ट मैग्नीफाइड, मैग्नीफाइड मिल जाता, डिमिनिश्ड नहीं मिलता, डिमिनिश्ड नहीं मिलता. ठीक है, इरेक्ट, ठीक है. कॉनकेव में रियल इन्वर्टेड पॉइंट साइज डन, रियल inverted diminished, real inverted same size, real inverted magnified, real inverted highly magnified, real inverted virtual erect magnified, virtual erect magnified. मिलता नहीं मिलता, मिल जाता. वर्चुअल इरेक्ट मैग्नीफाइड मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट जितना है उससे बड़ा इमेज मिल जाता वर्चुअल में, इरेक्ट में, बट ऑब्जेक्ट से छोटा डिमिनिश्ड. वर्चुअल इरेक्ट डिमिनिश्ड नहीं मिल सकता, वर्चुअल इरेक्ट डिमिनिश्ड नहीं मिल सकता. किसमें? कॉनकेव में. इसके लिए अपन किसके पास आ रहे हैं? कॉन्वेक्स, राइट. चलो, कॉन्वेक्स. फॉर कॉन्वेक्स ओनली टू पोजीशंस आर देयर. ऑब्जेक्ट एट इंफिनिटी, infinity in the sense in case of concave also we did this. If the object is at infinity we get the rays from the infinity. If the object is at infinity, this is the concave convex mirror. This part is polished surface. Here we have reflecting surface. Object, should I place the object to the right side or to the left side? Left side, right side? Sure, because if I put at right side this is polished surface, image बनता, object image ही नहीं बनता पहले. So that's why object is at infinity, left side to the infinity. Infinity से object कैसा रहता? Parallel rays, only get a parallel rays, and these parallel rays meet at focus and diverge. First they diverge and extend to the focus. First they diverge and extend to make sure that they are meeting at focus. Incident rays, reflected rays, right. Characteristics. Are the rays literally meeting? If the rays are not meeting, what type of image? Virtual. Virtual. Second, erect, point sized, magnified. In convex, get what? Yeah, we got, no? In convex, that is what. कॉनकेव में भी आता बाबा, ऑब्जेक्ट इन्फिनिटी पे रहा तो इमेज फोकस पे नहीं बनता, पॉइंट साइज रहता, फोकस पर मैं बता दूं. ये दो वर्चुअल इरेक्ट पॉइंट साइज पोजीशन एट एफ बिहाइंड द मिरर. नेक्स्ट ऑब्जेक्ट एट any point. Let us take object at any point somewhere over here. Again same law, ray which is going parallel will diverge but appear to meet at focus. This ray which is going parallel to axis will diverge and appear to meet at a focus. This will diverge and appear to meet at a focus. This is the incident ray, this is the reflected ray. Next object, next we will take a ray diagram. One is parallel, the other to center of curvature. The ray which is going to center of curvature, this you will get confused and you will forget also, like you forgot right now. That's why I suggest you to please practice it a little. Okay, this is where the rays are meeting. The rays are not meeting, we made sure that they meet. Object is at any point and whatever size it is, but image is diminished. Virtual may diminish, which was not giving who? Concave. Who is giving this? Convex. Chalo, right. What type of image? Virtual? No. What type of image it is? Virtual. Virtual and erect. What about the size? Diminished. That is what we were looking for. Virtual में diminished image नहीं मिल रहा था ना, तो इसके पास मदद लिया, इन्हों काम कर दिया. क्या है diminished? नहीं पोजीशन की जरूरत नहीं है. अब at any point है ना, object whatever position it is, it will be between, like before focus only. It will not go beyond focus. Whatever position it is, छोटा बनता मगर focus के अंदर, यहाँ पर कहीं भी खेल लेता, but focus के बाहर लक्ष्मण रेखा के जैसा उसके अंदर ही रहता. Next, fourth, behind the mirror. Like here we have at focus, यहाँ पर वैसा कुछ नहीं है, तो 4 positions. Now let us discuss about the sign convention. Sign convention यहाँ पर छोटे में लिख लेंगे. नको, ठीक है, नको बोल तो फिर रेस करके नहीं मैं बता दूँ उसमें क्या है. रफ कर दूँ, ठीक है, फिर वीडियो रोकना पड़ता. Right. Here we have a sign convention in case of a convex mirror. Again for sign convention we have to discuss about 6 points. U is object distance, V image distance, HO height of object, HI height of image, R F, right, object distance in for before writing this we have to recall about ray diagrams. What are the only two positions are there? No, in case of convex only 2 positions are there. Object is at infinity. Infinity in the sense which side of the axis? Negative side of the axis, so it is negative for the first case. Object at any point on this axis, it is again negative. So 2 cases are there and in both the cases it is negative. Next, image distance. Where is the image formed? If the object is at infinity, image is at focus, which is positive side of x-axis. Object is at any other point, image is also at any other point between pole and focus. Again positive side of the x-axis only, so it is also positive. Next, height of object. Object is placed at infinity. If the object is placed at infinity, height is measured with the y-axis. So it is positive. Object is at any point, somewhere over here. Object is at any point. Height of this object is measured with the positive y-axis only. So it is also positive. Next, height of image. If the object is at infinity, image is formed at a focus. What type of image it is? Real or inverted? Real, inverted or erect, whatever it is. Erect in the sense straight or tilted? Straight, right? So straight in the sense with what axis we compare? Positive y-axis or negative? Positive y-axis. Very small size positive y-axis. This is positive y-axis. So it is, in the first case it is positive. In the second case it is again erect. In the second case, object is at any point, image is also somewhere over here, and this height is measured with the positive y-axis. So this is also positive. Radius of curvature. Radius is left side or right side? Right side. If you complete the sphere will complete over here, center of curvature will be here and focal length will be over here. So R is positive and F is also positive. So all of these are positive except the object distance in case of convex mirror. This is about sign convention. Now let us solve some problems related to convex and concave mirrors.